Alright, we're doing the cookie challenge.
No, we're not going to do it. We're just going to explain.
Well, yeah. So, you have a beautiful patch of cookies in front of you.
Let's see that.
Yum.
That looks beautiful right there.
Doesn't it?
Yeah. All right.
You decorate it.
So tell us what we did.
So, you sit in a chair. You put a timer for 15 minutes. And then you just sit in the chair trying not to eat the cookie. If you eat the cookie, you only get to eat one cookie. But if you don't eat it for 15 minutes, you can have the whole entire 3 cookies. So, me and him, we just made cookies. We did the cookie challenge, but we can't do it right now because we don't have a timer. So yeah, and we're going to be showing lots of new things and beautiful things. And, alright,
Let's look at the cookies.
Yeah.
But just tell us how did we get it.
Okay.
But don't say the exact.
Look, we made, I think that's in the garbage. I'm not going to go through the garbage. No.
Sorry, guys. Is it there?
Alright, I don't know where it is, but we decorated it with these candies.
Why is there stuff in there?
Oh,
Is that a tiny cookie?
I have no idea.
Oh, yeah,
we decorated it with these. These are
Hold on, let me back up.
Look how creamy that is. Wait.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Look how creamy that is. And then,
Vanilla.
yes, viola.
And we got cookie dough, and then we just put it in the oven for let's say 15 minutes.
And by the way, we didn't use that much of these because these are really hard because they're old. So, Charlie, eat that.
Say bye.
So we use sprinkles. And
Say bye, Charlie. Charlie, say bye. 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 Okay.
I don't care.
Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye, everybody. It was great knowing you.
All right. Say bye, Charlie. Charlie.